Hello guys and welcome back to Core on DashCam channel. Today's episode is going to be full of road rage and many more crazy encounters. Enjoy! Driver that's in front of the camera tried to move into the same lane as him, but he forgot to check his mirrors. And when the camera honked his horn at him, well, let's just say that he didn't quite like it. Notice how the entire road is completely empty, and yet this crazy driver still managed to nearly cause a head-on collision.
Watch out, watch out!
Whoa! Watch out! What the? I thought we were gonna get hit. Son of Did he hit me at all?
No.
Two drivers that were in front of the camera were road raging. The sad part about this all is that the camera and the driver that was behind the camera nearly got caught up in it all.
Okay.
What?
Some
Okay,
assholes
like that.
over here doing road rage.
Oh, be careful. Okay. You okay?
Yeah, I just almost rear-ended the guy, and the guy behind me almost rear-ended me. And this guy's still just doing brake checks on the road.
Camera was just minding his own business, but he caught a crazy road rage argument right in front of him. Two vehicles tried to push each other out of the road completely, and other participants got nearly involved as well.
Is he gonna shoot?
Right? Damn, awkward. We're all stopped here. Well, it's definitely the dealer's fault.
a day's work.
Whenever you transport something, always make sure that it's tightened really well so that it doesn't fall out of your trunk, just like in this situation right here.
Really, dude? Paying attention?
Pay attention to this champion right here. The driver on the camera's left side casually changed lanes without bothering to look at his mirrors. And of course, that type of behavior only causes accidents. But that's not the worst part. Someone was really in a rush. Of course, in a rush to get a ticket. Pay attention at the driver in front of the camera. This guy is totally crazy. Apparently, road markings don't mean anything to this guy because he's swerving all over the road.
And we will take a quick break and bring you back. Coming up with a hit that could...
With this clip, we conclude yet another episode on Caught on DashCam channel. If you enjoyed watching this one, make sure to leave a like, because that will help a lot. While you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care, people.